A groundbreaking opportunity is on the horizon for students at Masinde Muliro University of Science and Technology, MUST. The university is embarking on a transformative journey with Agrarkontakte International, AKI, a German-based non-profit organization, to offer agricultural traineeship programs in Germany. But here's where it gets exciting: these internship programs are a game-changer for young farmers and agri-food professionals, providing them with invaluable hands-on experience on modern German farms. On November 6, 2025, MUST hosted AKI delegates, Ms. Tatiana Dettmer and Ms. Verena Jauß, to discuss this exciting collaboration and explore other potential partnerships. During the workshop, Professor Danstone Lilechi Barasa, representing the university management, emphasized the program's potential to empower students with innovative skills and create employment opportunities. This initiative is a stepping stone towards creating experts who can transfer skills to our small-scale farmers and motivate the youth to embrace agriculture, Professor Barasa stated. Ms. Dettmer, AKI's general manager, revealed that the program is supported by influential entities such as the Baden-Württemberg Federal States Ministry of Agriculture and the German Agricultural Bank. She highlighted the project's goal of exchanging best practices and building valuable connections between Germany and African countries. Kenya's agricultural potential is immense, and we believe that students who participate in our program will become multipliers of knowledge and skills in their home countries, Ms. Dettmer remarked. Professor Vitalis Ojema, Dean of the School of Agriculture, Veterinary Sciences, and Technology, SAVET, expressed his enthusiasm for the program's ability to provide students with practical experience in modern agricultural technologies. This initiative will undoubtedly enhance students' prospects for self-employment and job security, he said. Professor Alice Ndiama, also from SAVET, added that the program is crucial in helping students understand the practical aspects of modern agriculture and the vast opportunities it offers. Ms. Tabitha Shizia, the project's contact person, noted that MUST is one of the few Kenyan universities partnering with AKI on this program. This project will open doors not only for our students but also for recent diploma and degree graduates. We are excited about the potential for agricultural expos, where German experts can interact with our agricultural systems and educate our farmers on modernization, Ms. Shizia explained. She further highlighted that this partnership will involve other schools within the university, including the School of Public Health, Biomedical Sciences, and Technology, SPHBS&T. With AKI's successful collaboration with Bokura Agricultural College, BAC, where over 100 BAC students have benefited from the traineeship program, MUST students are now poised to seize this life-changing opportunity. The discussions between MUST and AKI are a testament to the university's commitment to providing its students with global exposure and practical experiences. As we await the formalization of this partnership, we can't help but wonder, what impact will this program have on the future of agriculture in Kenya? And how will it shape the careers of MUST students? Share your thoughts and predictions in the comments below.